Hi guys, welcome to Learn the Persian channel. In this channel with my friend Muhammad, we teach you the Persian language completely. We will show you 2 long videos on Saturday and Tuesday and short videos on all days of the week. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Let's go! Lesson 9. Asking the time in Turkish. Learn about time-related expressions. Checking, confirming, and asking about time. Dialogue.
برا با هاکان چه زمانی ملاقات داشتیم؟
Bora, what time exactly is the meeting with Hakan?
ساعت 10:30.
It's at 10:30.
باشه. ساعت چند است الان؟
And what's the time now?
5 دقیقه از 9 می‌گذرد. عجله کن. دیر نرسیم.
It's 9:05. Hurry up so that we won't be late.
باشه. فقط 1 دقیقه بیشتر.
Yes, just 1 more minute.
همیشه همینجوری میگی. اما همیشه دیر میرسیم.
You always say so, but every time you are late anyway. Lesson vocabulary.
بیشتر. بیشتر.
More. Further.
همیشه. همیشه.
Always.
همچنین. همچنین.
So.
هنوز. هنوز.
Still. Nevertheless.
دیر کردن. دیر کردن.
To be late.
الان. الان.
Now.
فقط. فقط.
Only.
عجله کردن. عجله کردن.
To hurry.
ملاقات. ملاقات.
Meeting.
دقیقاً. دقیقاً.
Exactly. Guys, lesson is over. Now, what time is in your country right now? Let's practice in the comments.